Hi, welcome to another section of this tutorial on ABCC exchange. I want to go through how you check your balance and some other information and how to relate with them as a newbie on ABCC exchange. So the first thing you want to do, you have already logged in. If you have not checked through the section for registration and login, so here you click on the My Funds. You can tap here directly, or you come to your balance and you click here. So it should load up in seconds depending on your internet connection. So this is the first thing you will see. As you can see, it balance, estimated value, you see no data. So let's go through. This estimated value talks about how much you have in the account, then what is equivalent of it in Bitcoin and in dollars. So then if you scroll here, you have 24 hours withdrawal limit. That means if you put, for example, let's assume you have 5 Bitcoin or some other coin that worth about 3 or 4 Bitcoins. Now you cannot withdraw the whole 3 or 4 at the same time. You can only withdraw maximum of 2 Bitcoin within 24 hours for an unverified account. So if you want to increase this limit, then you need to submit some your identification and some things to go through the verification process. So but for this, at least as a newbie, this 2 Bitcoin is quietly okay for a start. So then you have amount used. So as you withdraw daily, this will tell you how much you have used. So you will still get to see some of it possibly in other section of the video. So that's what this is all about. So you can use this to monitor if you have exhausted your withdrawal limit for that day. Once exhausted, you need to wait for the day off, then try it the second day. So this will always reset every 24 hours depending on the time zone. So I have this. I think the time zone should be something around +7 or +6. So then we have this no data, hide all coin with 0 balance. So you can unmark this. So this shows all the coins and token you can trade on this platform, and you can search for them. So the reason why this hide coin is, at times when you just have, for example, you have Bitcoin, and instead of scrolling to, or you have just another token, maybe this for example, or this their official token. So instead of scrolling through or searching through, for you to easily have a glance through which balance, what is your balance per token, you can just hide 0 balance. So any balance that doesn't have up to like $1, they will be hidden here. So but because we have not deposited anything, this is still fresh, so we still go through that. That's why it's showing us no data. So you can always unhide it for the first time. So you go through, so you can see Bitcoin, for example, this is your Bitcoin balance, whatever you have, then the dollar worth, available balance, frozen, maybe you are using it to trade and the trading has not been executed, then the history, then you can easily deposit, withdraw and exchange, and some other things there. So those are the basic things you have in your balance check page. Then you also have the mining reward, where you also check the balance of mining, as this cryptocurrency exchange make use of Tom. We've mentioned it earlier in previous tutorial, that means when you trade, you get rewarded like you are mining Bitcoin. So these are part of the places you can easily check and get to know, and you can, I think you can possibly lock up some token to mine more or something. So at least per trading you get a reward. So that's it. You have your balance, you have your estimated value, then you have individual coins or token, You can see it here. You can always search for any token in case you don't need to scroll down. You can see it. So that's it. So just search for any token. So that's it there. You can hide them anytime. So those are the basic features you have here. So that's it. We'll talk of other ones in the next section. So thanks, and don't forget to register on my crypto dictionary and start earning cryptocurrency daily. Getting to learn about all these tutorials, crypto dictionary terms and meaning, then news. So instead of visiting those news sites directly, you can go into our aggregated feeds, and you stay in commenting and doing some other things, and even registering others there. So that's it. In case you have any question, you can use the comment or join our official Telegram group to ask your question. So thanks so much. Bye.